Hello, this is me, Miss Gina, and my topic today is about self-sufficiency. This is a simple tip how to save money. Not only money we save, but we also help our Mother Earth. People also going to have a better place to live. Planting some veggies in the pot will help to save mommy's pocket. These are some vegetables easy to grow at home. Eggplant, morning glory, pak choy or pak chai, cabbage, celery, Thai eggplant, radish, bell pepper, lime, chili, and lemon. And these are all basic we need in the kitchen. You can look after them by watering them. You can water them in the morning before you go to school and in the afternoon after school. Or sometimes give them herb fertilizers such as eggshell, banana peel, or any other veggies in the kitchen ready to throw. By doing this method will help your veggies to have green leaf and healthy. Make sure no insect at all to help green leaf not to fade. You can use any recycled things you have at home. As you can see above, you can see some examples like sacks, bucket, basket, water bottle, and plastic glass too. By doing this, it helps you save money and our environment. Live green, love green, be green. We are just only mankind. Without the earth, we're nothing. And don't forget, children, the words reduce, reuse, and recycle. Part 2. It is all about cooking time. Well, what do I have today? I've got an eggplant, an egg. I've got an idea to slice your eggplant. Beat the egg. And don't forget to add saltfish and soy sauce and mix them to have a better taste. Yes, add salt and soy sauce. Next, put oil in the pan. When it's hot, then you can slowly put your egg in the pan. And when it's both sides brown, means it's cooked. Don't forget to prepare the plate. Yes, and this is what it looks like. Ready to eat. Yum yum in my tummy. Let's see another sample menu. I've got sardines, a mango, and onion. First thing you have to do is wash your mango and onion after you peel them, and then use grater, knife, and peeler, and that's what you need. First, wash your mango, peel off the skin. Use grater to grate mango and prepare next step. Prepare your ingredients like 1 spoon of saltfish, 1.5 spoon of sugar. Yes, mix them together. Mix it with your sardines. Stir them. Don't forget to add sliced onion as well. And if you have chili, you can use chili too. Add saltfish and 1.5 spoon of sugar. If you have chili, you can add 2. Mix them well and ready to serve. Taste sweet, sour, and spicy. This is one of Thai menu. Easy and delicious. Hope it gives you an idea to budget and save money, children. เรามาแปลภาษาไทยกันดีกว่า อย่างแรกที่เราต้องทำก็คือเราปลูกผักง่ายๆที่บ้าน อย่างเช่นแพทย์ชายแปลว่ากวางตุ้ง eggplant แปลว่ามะเขือยาวcabbageแปลว่ากะหล่ำปี morning glory แปลว่าผักบุ้ง lime และ lemon แปลว่ามะนาวค่ะ และอย่าลืมพริกหวานด้วยนะคะ แล้วก็พริก เราก็ต้องลดต้นไม้ตอนเช้าและข้าวเย็นนะคะแล้วบางครั้งเราก็ต้องใช้ปุ๋ยครั้ง2 ครั้งต่อเดือนและอย่าลืมใช้พวกรีไซเคิลด้วยนะคะแล้วก็หลังจาก 30-40 วันเนี่ยคุณสามารถเก็บมันได้เลยแล้วก็ทำกับข้าวได้เลยค่ะและอย่าลืม like subscribe get notify ด้วยนะคะขอบคุณค่ะ